Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sleepy sidekicks here. Super tired today. I'm making them work. We're trying to get a lot of video work done today, and this is what they look like. What do you think, Zay? If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining us. So glad you're here. Please do subscribe, hang out with us. We do subscription boxes, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. I'm Laura. This is Zena. The Wyatt is the one hiding his head right now for some reason. I am excited about today's video because I have a brand new subscription box to my channel. I cannot wait to share with you. This is called Soapster. It smells fabulous through the box. I haven't opened it yet, but I cannot wait to dig into this one. All right, this is a monthly subscription box. Okay, so Soapster is, as I said, a subscription box. It's all about soaps and lotions. They have sugar scrubs, lip balms, and more. It does come every single month, and they do make sure that their products are good for sensitive skin, which I love. Let's see, they're detergent, paraben, sulfate, and phthalate free, goat milk soap delivered to your door. And let's see, it's handmade in tiny batches. Gentle skin loving ingredients, and you can enjoy soft skin and smell amazing, which I believe because I'm smelling it through this box already. Let's dig in. The box I'm going to share with you is August subscription. It is called the Lone Star box. It's $29.99 a month. They do offer a few different options. They have a Ain't My First Rodeo box for $38.99 and an Ultimate Spa box for $69.99. So you can choose different options if you'd like. But this one is the Lone Star box, and it is $29.99 a month, as I mentioned. And we're going to see all the amazing things it contains because there's a bunch of stuff in here. All right, here's what I see when I open my box. This is the Rebel collection. That's the theme for August. You're getting a sneak peek into August. It says, creativity is the greatest rebellion in existence. Rebel. So here's a little sheet that's going to tell me all about the items that are inside this box. It smells so amazing, and I haven't even opened it yet. Oh, it's amazing. It says, welcome to Soapster. This month's theme is Rebel. Enjoy the sense of Rebel and chocolate. Rebel is a fruity floral, aromatic blend of sweet nectarine, orange, pink coral, gardenia, violet petals, and musk, and bergamot. Bergamot? Hopefully I'm saying that right. We soap this box brightens your day. With love, the Soapster box team. It says about Soapster box, which I want to read since this is the first time I'm sharing this on my channel. At Soapster box by Nicole Angel, our mission is to make self-care for sensitive skin fun and stress-free. Small actions can help restore balance and positivity in our everyday lives. You deserve the best, and we make it easy for you to take a break and give yourself the same care that you give to others. Nicole Angel is a Texas women-owned homemade business. All right, so I'm excited to dig into this. Let's do it. I do have a code for you, of course, if you want to give this subscription a try. If you use the code Soapster10, you'll get 10% off your first box. So this tells you that this is the Lone Star box. Before I go ripping this paper. And look how all the goodies we're going to get into. All right, so first up there is Phoebe's Natural Tea. And it says, Eve is a blend of nourishing herbs, red raspberry leaf, astragalus root, lavender, and lemon. Benefits may help to aid stress, anxiety, fatigue, and menstrual pain, promotes strong immunity, and provides respiratory support. So this is the Eve red raspberry leaf plus astragalus root, lemon, lavender, and it tells you how to make it right here on the back. All right, I love tea. I'm a huge tea drinker, so that's right up my alley. Next up, I have Glitter Mini Bar. And this is a mini goat milk soap bar sprinkled with body safe glitter. All right. Next, I have Whipped Sugar Scrub, Exfoliate and Cleanse. Sweet Nectarine, Pink Coral, and Fruity Floral. Oh, this is sealed. Oh, well, we're just going to dig right in. I wanted to see it. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's like a, look at that. It's kind of like whippy, right? You scoop out and massage scrub onto wet skin. A little goes a long way, and then lather and rinse. Here's what it looks like. And I don't have any water in here to rinse, so we are going to just let that be. And I'm just going to wipe it off. Smells fabulous. I love all these fruity smells. Okay. And what it says about on the paper, so it just says exfoliate and cleanse your skin with this luxurious hand-whipped paraben and sulfate-free whipped sugar scrub, which I now have all over me. Too funny. All right, what else? Before I'm just covered in all kinds of stuff here. Next, we have the Goat Milk and Honey Body Lotion. This one we can actually try. And this one says a rich, non-greasy lotion made with goat milk, honey, and shea butter. Great for dry hands, leaves skin softer and smoother. Okay. Here's what that one looks like. The sense of this is just amazing. Here's what that looks like. I'm going to rub this on my hands. It's so fresh. It just smells fresh, like a spa, like a beautiful summer day. I love it. All right, there's still more. Next, I have Molten Lava Cake Natural Lip Balm. Love that. And this says a hand-poured, paraben-free, all-natural moisturizing lip balm with a molten lava cake scent. Okay, I'm going to want to like chew this off my lips. All right, and then I have goat milk soap, Sweet Nectarine, Pink Floral, handmade. These are nice size. That's really large. Check that out. And I have 2 of them. All right, and that's my box. What did you think? Everything smells so heavenly. It just smells so heavenly. All right, and about the goat milk soap bars, it says 2 ultra moisturizing detergent-free bar soaps made with goat milk and activated charcoal, leave skin healthy, nourished, and hydrated. Can't wait to give these a try. Love it. All right, that is everything. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items inside my Rebel box. And as I mentioned, this one is the Lone Star box, $29.99 a month. If you use the code Soapster10, you will get 10% off your first box. And then they have additional boxes, the Ain't My First Rodeo for $38.99 and the Ultimate Spa box for $69.99 with many more goodies. If you would like to order this particular box for August, you must order by July 31st to get this particular themed box. So keep that in mind. And I think this was pretty cool. I love soaps. I love the fresh scents. So this one makes me happy. Okay, and I also got a little envelope here. And inside the little envelope, which is it says it's a magic wind up, but there's a little note at the bottom that says you get a plus item. And it's a magic wind up butterfly. All right, so I'm getting this out for you. Check this little guy out. Oh, so he just flew away. Here's what he looks like. So you just wind him up, right? And then he will just fly, fly away once you do it right. But he's cute. The dogs don't even seem to care that this thing just fluttered all around me. All right, and I also got a cute little mindfulness exercise, so you can color this in. It says, live in the moment, try to intentionally bring an open, accepting, and discerning attention to everything you do. Find joy in simple pleasures. So this also came in the box with a cute little butterfly there on the front and a little thank you on the back, and a little card that reminds you that you are strong. Love it. I'll try to get my little butterfly wound up again. See if the dogs care, right? All right, that is all of the items inside this month's Soapster box. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. This is cute. The dogs don't seem to care. Now it's fluttering right into my box. All right, I will put all the information for Soapster down below. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I do. I'm loving the scents in this collection. Just absolutely fresh, amazing. Just makes my whole day brighter right now. I'm loving it. I can't wait to use these. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit that like button. Would love you to hang out for me for the long haul and hit that subscribe. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, bye everybody.